Welcome to an Amish home located in Homer, Michigan. A timeless Amish farmhouse that feels like a step back into a simpler, quieter era. This property isn't just a house, it's a story. A piece of living history surrounded by open skies, fertile land, and the echo of generations who lived and worked the soil before us. Nestled on 5 peaceful acres, this circa 1900 farmhouse invites you to rediscover what country living truly means: balance, purpose, and connection to the land. From its wraparound porch to its massive barns and serene fields, every inch of this property feels built with intention. Today, we'll take a detailed walk through the home, barns, and landscape, capturing the essence of this Amish-built retreat and everything that makes it so unique. As you approach the home, a long gravel driveway leads across open green fields to the heart of the property, a stately white farmhouse surrounded by mature maples and elms. Their wide branches filter sunlight across the yard, creating that perfect flicker of shadow and warmth that defines summer afternoons in rural Michigan. The house stands tall and proud, with clean white siding and a sharply pitched roof. There's a quiet sturdiness in its frame, the kind of craftsmanship that holds its own through snowstorms, decades, and generations. A wide porch wraps around the front, simple but welcoming, with classic posts and an unadorned overhang. It's easy to picture yourself here with a rocking chair, a cup of coffee, and the rhythmic hum of the countryside as your soundtrack. Around the home, 5 acres stretch out in all directions, a mixture of open field, usable land, and lightly treed edges. It's easy to imagine crops once thriving here, maybe hay, corn, or vegetables. The soil is rich, dark, and workable, just as you'd expect from a region where farming is a way of life. Clustered near the farmhouse, a collection of impressive outbuildings completes the picture. A 3-wall barn, an insulated pole barn, a traditional hayloft barn, a small storage shed, and even a tiny house tucked quietly nearby. Together, they form a little village of utility and heritage, every building with a purpose, every space ready to be used again. From above, the symmetry is stunning. The house and barns form a tidy center point in the middle of Michigan's rural sprawl. It's the kind of layout only time could shape. From the living room, the space flows into a large, practical kitchen. This is clearly the heart of the home, generous, efficient, and ready for work. Counters stretch along both sides, framed by natural wood cabinetry that reflects the simplicity of handmade design. The windows above the sink overlook the yard, letting in soft daylight as you cook or bake. The flooring here is tile, durable, easy to clean, and ideal for a working household. Everything is laid out for convenience, with plenty of open space to move between counters, cupboards, and prep areas. It's easy to picture a large wooden table in the center, surrounded by chairs, ready for morning coffee or evening meals after a long day on the farm. Tucked just off the kitchen is a small pantry, cool, organized, and perfect for canned goods or preserves. It's a simple space, but one that speaks volumes about the Amish way of life. Waste nothing, store everything, and keep the home in harmony with the land. The staircase, narrow and hand-built, leads to the upper level where the bedrooms are located. Up here, everything feels cozy and personal. Light filters through tall, slender windows, creating gentle contrasts across the hardwood floors. Each bedroom is modest in size, but generous in character. White walls, wood trim, and handmade details that feel genuine and warm. One of the bedrooms has sloped ceilings, a charming feature that hints at the age and authenticity of the structure. The wood grain in the floors tells its own story. Footsteps from another century echo quietly beneath your own. There's also a small bathroom upstairs, simple and functional. A clean white tub and pedestal sink reflect a sense of straightforward utility. The fixtures may be plain, but they fit the home perfectly. Nothing out of place, nothing unnecessary. The upstairs hallway leads to what appears to be an attic or half-story loft. With exposed beams and rafters, it's easy to imagine transforming this into a quiet reading nook, guest space, or storage area. Everywhere you look, there's evidence of strength in the bones. Walls that have stood the test of time, and floors that feel as solid as the day they were laid. This house was built with endurance in mind. Over a century old, it remains remarkably strong. The exterior siding is intact, the roof lines crisp, and the structure square and true. There are signs of age, yes, as there should be, but they're the kind that speak to authenticity rather than neglect. While some modern updates are needed, particularly in the electrical and utility systems, the craftsmanship remains timeless. The foundation is sound, the framing solid, and the layout sensible. For someone with vision, this is the perfect opportunity to blend history and modern comfort. You could restore the interior with modern amenities while preserving its old-world charm. Refinish the original floors, restore the trim, update lighting, and retain the stove and handcrafted details. The tall windows, thick framing, and handmade hardware are all details worth keeping. This home was built not for luxury, but for longevity, and it's ready for its next chapter. Stepping back outside, you begin to understand the true scope of this property. The barns and outbuildings tell their own stories, each one representing a generation of practical use and steady work. The largest structure is the traditional wooden barn, approximately 74 by 40 feet. Inside, heavy timber beams stretch upward, creating an enormous open space once filled with hay, livestock, and life. The hayloft above is vast and airy, the scent of aged wood lingering in the air. Even after decades, the craftsmanship of this barn feels timeless. Nearby stands a massive insulated pole barn, roughly 44 by 90 feet, built for durability and modern function. Its high ceilings and open floor space make it ideal for storing machinery, working on equipment, or even converting into an indoor workshop. The metal siding gleams in the sunlight, a practical counterpart to the aged wood of the main barn. Then there's the three-wall barn, open on one side for easy access, perfect for farm vehicles, animal shelter, or storage of large tools. Its design reflects typical Amish ingenuity. Simple, efficient, and built for utility. A smaller shed sits close to the house, ideal for garden tools, firewood, or small equipment. And tucked toward one edge of the property is a 28 by 12 tiny house, a fully detached mini dwelling that could serve as a guest cabin, studio, or rental space with a bit of updating. Together, these buildings create an ecosystem, a self-sufficient homestead ready to serve its next family. From a bird's-eye view, the arrangement of buildings feels deliberate. The barns and sheds encircle the main home in a tight-knit formation, reducing walking distance and creating a communal farmyard. Each structure faces inward, almost as if standing guard around the farmhouse itself. What truly makes this property remarkable, though, is the land itself. 5 acres of open, workable soil, green, fertile, and ready for planting. It's neither overwhelming nor limiting. It's that perfect balance for those who want to live close to nature without being swallowed by it. The fields stretch gently from the back of the home, open and sunlit. Tree lines mark the natural edges, creating a border of privacy and shelter from the wind. You can imagine the possibilities here. A vegetable garden bursting with color, a small orchard of apple trees, or fenced pastures with grazing livestock. The soil is rich, the drainage good, and the exposure nearly perfect for agriculture or hobby farming. In every direction, the view feels endless. No traffic noise, no city clutter, just land, sky, and quiet. The serenity is remarkable. Standing here, you can almost hear the whisper of cornstalks in summer, the crunch of leaves underfoot in autumn, and the distant calls of morning birds echoing from the tree line. The simplicity of the landscaping, mostly grass, scattered trees, and open ground, leaves space for imagination. Owning a property like this is more than a real estate decision. It's a lifestyle choice. It's about slowing down, breathing deeper, and finding peace in the daily rhythm of rural life. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds instead of alarms, opening the window to a horizon of green fields instead of traffic, and spending your evenings watching the sunset from that wraparound porch. Inside, the home offers comfort and simplicity. Outside, it offers purpose. You could run a small-scale farm, keep horses, raise goats, or simply tend gardens that feed your family year-round. The barns give endless possibilities, whether you use them for work, art, or gatherings. If you're passionate about restoration, this farmhouse is a dream canvas. You can preserve the authentic structure while blending in modern amenities that make it fully livable. Add a rustic kitchen island, polish the original woodwork, and finish the attic into a cozy loft. Each decision you make becomes part of the story, your story layered onto the generations who came before. This property is also ideal for those seeking a retreat, a place to unplug, write, create, or simply live in harmony with nature. Its combination of open land, historic charm, and quiet surroundings makes it a rare gem in today's world. The Amish families who once lived here built it with intention, and it still stands as a testament to their craftsmanship and discipline. It's not just a home. It's a legacy of hard work, resilience, and quiet pride. When you stand on the porch at sunset and look across the land, it's easy to feel a kind of peace that's hard to find elsewhere. The hum of crickets replaces the noise of the city. The smell of cut hay lingers in the air. The barns glow softly in the evening light. And the house, simple, sturdy, and enduring, waits patiently for its next story to begin. This home located in Homer, Michigan, a property that captures the soul of rural life. A place where tradition meets opportunity, and where every sunrise reminds you that sometimes the best way forward is by returning to where it all began.